In this video you will learn how to get custom songs and mods in Beat Saber on Steam. Launch Beat Saber on Steam, open your Steam library and start Beat Saber to ensure the game is up to date and installed. Exit the game before modding. Close Beat Saber completely, as only mod can be installed when the game is not running on your computer. Download and install Mod Assistant. Go to Mod Assistant tool page, download it and install it on your PC. This tool helps you add custom songs and mods safely to your Steam. Open Mod Assistant and agree to the terms. Launch Mod Assist, then agree to the terms and conditions and let it automatically detect your Beat Saber installation. Select and install mods. Browse through the list of available mods in Mod Assistant. Select the one you want, then click Install or Update. Add custom songs. After relaunching the mod, relaunch Beat Saber and use the in-game Beat Saber browser or download songs online to enjoy your custom tracks. Now you know how to get custom songs and mods in Beat Saber on Steam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.